Yeah.
Make a line. Make a line.
So this one will just go like this.
Last bad line dito.
Like this.
Yeah.
Ay, Rowena, ikaw ang pangapat.
David, move out the way.
Daisy. Kami huli.
Ginamit niya to ha. She used this one?
Yeah. Did you see where though?
No, I didn't see.
Nope.
Okay, next.
Sinopi eh. Check mo.
Nope.
Hey, ate. Then we go around. No?
Say zero.
Let's go.
Is it right, no?
No, I'm saying no.
Yeah, nakaline na.
Say louder.
Right na po.
Memorize nyo kung nasa
Oo, ganun nga, memorize.
Wrong.
It's right.
Oh, it's right.
Get the dollar.
Get the dollar and this.
Not yet. Not yet.
No. She can go one more because she got
Go
one.
one more.
One more. So I got this. And then go again.
You get the money.
No, yes.
Enough.
You got that.
She goes again.
She goes again. She goes
You
again.
get the money because you got it right, and then you go again.
Yes.
But lift this?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I lift it there.
Because you got it right already.
You can
Okay.
One more.
One more.
Yeah,
One more round. One
So
more
this
for
one
you.
you-
Until you get if you are right.
Nope.
No?
No.
Okay, put them back.
So ito hindi doon ah. Tandaan.
You're not supposed to help them.
Let me see.
Tandaan nyo.
You memorize it.
No.
Baba
Put it
Tinamad.
Tinamad talaga.
Nope.
Atin, ay parang nilagay na kanina yun.
Kaya nga eh.
So hindi yun to.
Tandaan. Make sure.
Gusto ko
No.
Ay no, kahit nilagay na niya ang paro kanina. Ay may ano ate yun.
Nope.
Ay, not doing okay.
God, we're gonna go until tomorrow. Bilisan
No.
nyo eh. Bilisan nyo.
Hindi rin daw.
Oh, I didn't put it back.
Yes.
Good job, Paro.
Nope. Which one?
No.
Oh no.
Silence.
Nope.
Ito, dalawa yung sa gitna.
Ano ba?
Dalawa na yung
Kailangan ko ako tagalas. Dali.
Good job, Papa.
Yup.
Hey! I get